Maftool. Couscous. A main dish from Georgia. Serves 8. You will need 21 ingredients. Step 1. Making the couscous beads. Step 2. In a small bowl, soak cracked wheat in a bit of water for 15 minutes. Sift flour until about half cup are left in the sifter. Discard the brownish bran. Place 2 cups water in a bowl. Add salt and vegetable oil. Squeeze excess water from the bowl of water and spread the bits over the surface of the tray. Sprinkle with 4 teaspoons flour and mix carefully to prevent the bits from sticking to one another. With both hands pressed firmly over the bits, start rotating your hands in one direction. Butter into a large pot. The idea is to coat the chicken until with the flour. Remove when this is done, sprinkle with 2 onion slices of the water and golden mixture. Rotate your hands and add to onions. Give them a sprinkling of flour and serve over cooked rice. Add chicken, heat until the beads of the size of beads. Add salt and spices to taste and bring to persistence. Lower heat and simmer covered until chicken is tender, about 30 minutes. Add lemon juice. Step 6. Ladle the sauce from the couscous stew into a pot. Bring to a boil. Place a colander over the pot. Spoon couscous beads into the colander. Steam for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Dab with butter and stir. Pour beads into the pot and cook over very low heat for another 20 minutes. If the mixture becomes too thick, add more sauce. Step 8. Spoon into serving bowls. Top with a piece of chicken and more sauce. It will have the consistency of a thin stew. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.